Now, let's go over how to activate API integration with the Limo Express platform. Start by visiting our website and scrolling down to the footer. In the footer, you'll see a section called API Documentation. Click on it, and it will take you to our Swagger-based API guide, where you'll find all the available endpoints listed. By selecting any endpoint, you'll see its complete technical details. To use these endpoints, you'll need authorization within the platform. Clicking on the authorization option will show that you need a bearer token for access. You can find this token in the platform. After logging in, go to Administration, then Organization. In Settings, choose Advanced Settings and scroll down to the API Integration section to activate it. Once activated, a token, code visible on the screen, will be generated. Simply copy this code and paste it into the authorization box. From this point on, you'll have access to all API integrations. If you ever wish to disable the integration, just return to Settings, toggle it off, and the integration will no longer be accessible.